Hello everyone! Today, let's continue watching the catastrophic moments of nature. The earthquake struck suddenly, just as people were preparing for the day. In just a few short seconds, everything descended into chaos. Fortunately, thanks to their keen survival instincts, most people managed to escape their homes in time. Ilulissat in Greenland, known as the Land of Icebergs, witnessed a massive iceberg break away from the Cermak-Kujalek Glacier, one of the fastest-moving glaciers in the world. This event took place near the archaeological site of Surmirmia, which was once inhabited by ancient Inuit peoples. The majestic natural surroundings and cultural heritage create a scene that is both awe-inspiring and historically rich. An EF2 tornado struck the town of Ellisville, Indiana, causing significant damage to both lives and property. This tornado was part of a powerful storm system moving through the Midwest, bringing strong winds, heavy rain, and thunderstorms. On his 20th birthday, this man decided to celebrate by flying a drone around Stromboli, the most active volcano in Europe. There, he witnessed impressive eruptions with plumes of smoke and lava shooting into the sky. Each moment was filled with excitement, creating unforgettable memories in his journey to explore the power of nature. A landslide caused significant damage to a bridge, with a large portion of the surface collapsing, making it dangerous if not impossible to cross. Many vehicles traveling on the bridge were either damaged or trapped in the debris. In Portland, a rare incident occurred on a stretch of road, causing traffic jams for several hours. According to the Oregon Department of Transportation, large rocks unexpectedly fell onto the road. This led to severe congestion in both directions. Due to strong winds, an unidentified chair was lifted to the 12th floor of our building. Several minutes passed, and the chair remained suspended outside the balcony, swaying with each gust of wind. It was a truly frightening sight, as melting ice on the Shaban River turned Riverside into a terrifying flood zone. Early on Friday morning, as the water level rose, residents of Rose Before Dawn had to evacuate their homes in a hurry, and businesses were forced to close in this emergency situation. Impressive aerial footage shows the floodwaters breaching the dam and engulfing residential areas, serving as a stark reminder of the immense power of nature and the urgent need for preparedness in response to extreme weather changes. This man was caught in a storm in Matagorda Bay, which is why he stood there for over an hour observing the storm's situation. However, things seemed quite grim, as there appeared to be no way for them to leave safely. A powerful earthquake with a magnitude of 7.3 struck Shanghai, plunging the entire city into chaos. Despite the disaster, this man remained calm, handling every situation with composure in his home. Darkness enveloped Sunrunyat, a small, peaceful village in Dordogne, France. In the western sky, a full moon shone brightly. Everything was bathed in a magical silver light. However, the atmosphere was abruptly shattered by the sound of thunder echoing through the valley, interrupting the usual tranquility of the countryside. On a gently sloping hill leading down to the desert, a massive boulder weighing over 2,000 pounds challenged anyone who dared to move it. 5 determined men, fueled by teamwork and resolve, tackled the challenge head-on, using all their strength to push the boulder down to the foot of the mountain. In the stormy skies near Mineral Point, Wisconsin, a mysterious and powerful phenomenon occurred. A tornado self-destructed, creating a thunderous boom that left everyone in shock. When the tide rose, the Nahant Pier area came alive with waves crashing against the turquoise coast. The water rose, covering the steps and creating a majestic and enchanting scene. On October 10, 2018, Panama City in Florida trembled at the arrival of Hurricane Michael. With its terrifying winds reaching up to 280 km/h, Michael slammed into the shore like a ferocious beast, instilling fear in the population. Michael slammed into the shore like a ferocious beast, instilling fear in the population. Facing the storm, you could feel the immense destructive power of nature. After the storm passed, the scene before me was one of devastated homes and rubble, with collapsed roofs scattered around and streets submerged in mud and debris. What do you think about the video? Please leave your comments below. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to turn on notifications to get the latest videos. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.